So today I'm going to quickly show you how to withdraw your money on the Webull app. So you can actually see it right here in real time. So we can take you step by step. And we're on the main page of the Webull app, and you'll know that by the little icon for Webull here at the bottom center. And just keeping in mind, there are a couple different ways to get to the withdrawal page, but the fastest way, honestly, is going to be up here towards the very top where you see the word transfers. We're going to go ahead and click on this, and that's going to take you over to your transfers page. And the very top option here that says transfer money is going to be the one we want to go ahead and click on, or you can click on the right hand arrow. Now, this next page over here, the first thing we actually want to do to make sure we're withdrawing money is to toggle on this little up and down arrow. And that's going to go ahead and move over our brokerage account to the top on the from section. And then our to section is where we get to choose an account that we want to pull to, which is going to be our bank account on file. So we're going to click on this, and then we're going to choose our Capital One account that we have currently attached. And then it's going to ask us how much we want to go ahead and withdraw. So for today's example, we're going to go ahead and do $10. Now they also do have the section over here that will let you know how much is available to withdraw. And you might not have all your money currently available, as there is some time delays on some of your funds, depending on when you buy or sell or transfer in. So if everything here looks good for us, we're going to click on review. And then in this section over here, it's just going to be a quick overview. Make sure everything looks good as far as where you're pulling from, where you're pulling to, and if there are any associated fees with that. If everything looks good, we're going to click on submit. And from here, it will send you a code to your phone number, so that way you can verify your information. You will do this every single time you have to withdraw on Webull. And from here, you get to this page that says withdrawal initiated. It'll let you know that it got started, and then all the additional details here at the bottom. And if you absolutely need to, you can cancel here at the very bottom before the next set of processes. And then it goes through to your bank account, which can take anywhere from 3 to 4 business days. Now, there is more to learn when it comes to utilizing the Webull app, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen.